Hello, Eager Young Minds. Welcome to Fast Math with Teacher One. Today we're going to talk about addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's start. I have here an example. Let's say I have here 1/4 plus 1/3. They are dissimilar because they have different denominators. First step in addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions is you have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction. So that is 1 times 3 and that is 3. And then second, you have to multiply the denominator of the first fraction and the numerator of the second fraction. So that is 4 times 1 and that is 4. And then copy the operation, that is addition. And then multiply, third, you have to multiply the denominators. So the denominators are 4 and 3. So that is 4 times 3 and that is 12. And then do the operation. That is 4 or 3 plus 4 and that is 7. And then the denominator is 12. Therefore, 1/4 plus 1/3 is 7/12. Another example. Let's say I have here 1/3 plus 2/5. Okay, or 1/3 plus 2/5. Again, first step is you have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction. So that is 1 times 5 and that is 5. And then second, you have to multiply the denominator of the first fraction to the numerator of the second fraction, and that is 3 times 2 and that is 6. Copy the operation, that is addition, and then multiply the denominators, that is 3 times 5 and that is 15. And then do the operations, that is 5 plus 6, that is 11, and then the denominator is 15. So the answer for 1/3 plus 2/5 is 11/15. Let's proceed with subtraction of dissimilar fractions. I have here 4/5 minus 1/4. Same process with the addition. You just have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction, and that is 4 times 4, and that is 16. And then multiply the denominator of the first to the numerator of the second fraction, that is 5 times 1, and that is 5. And then copy the operation. The operation is subtraction, so that is 16 minus 5. And then multiply the denominator of both fractions, so that is 5 times 4, and that is 20. And then do the operations, and that is 16 minus 5, so that is 11. And then the denominator is 20. Therefore, 4/5 minus 1/4 is just 11/20. Another example, let's say I have here 1/2 minus 2/7. Okay, same with addition, you just have to multiply, okay, the numerator of the first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction, and that is 1 times 7, and that is 7. And then multiply the denominator of the second fraction to the numerator of the denominator of the first fraction to the numerator of the second fraction, that is 2 times 2, and that is 4. Copy the operation of subtraction, and then multiply the denominators. Okay, that is 2 times 7, and that is 14. And then do the operations, and that is 7 minus 4, that is 3. So the denominator is 14. Therefore, 1/2 minus 2/7 is just 3/14. Okay, that's all. Again, that is Fast Math by Teacher One. Salamat muli sa inyo, and don't forget to subscribe.